and long life.
Sana magano ta si nanay maghaba pang buhay.
More birthdays to come.
This is amazing. My head is spinning. My hairs are raising. Oh my, yeah, here it comes now. Take away my breath and get me out.
Happy birthday, Sister Dory!
Happy birthday, Nanay Dory!
Happy birthday, Nanay Dory!
Happy birthday, Nanay Dory!
Big, big, it's the future hit.
The reason why we are all gathered here today, celebrating her 70th birthday, Dory.
This is it. The new sensation. The main attraction. I feel it come.
You deserve this 70th celebration of life, Nanay. And thank you for all your sacrifices sa ating buong family. Ikaw ang tumayong nanay at tatay simula pa nung bata pa kami. At kasama na din yung apat kong kapatid. And later on, when you blow your candle, I hope that all your wishes and dreams come true. And may God grant all your heart's desires today and always. Happy birthday, Nanay. We love you so much.
The new sensation. Intoxicating. It's so exciting. Electrifying. Oh my, yeah, here it comes. I feel it in my bones. It's like a stirring in my soul. Real platinum, pure solid gold. Yeah. Oh my, yeah, watch it.
So bilang kapitbahay, kamag-anak, Auntie ni Auntie Duray, salamat din Auntie Duray sa imubulig din sa amon. Kasi alam ko marami kayong nabulig sa amon pamilya. Salamat din Auntie ha. More blessings, good health, and I love you po.
Sa bawat sandali ng iyong buhay ay puno ng pagmamahal at biyaya. Happy birthday! Happy birthday at naway magpatuloy kang magtagumpay sa buhay. Ikaw ay isang inspirasyon sa marami. Ang iyong bagong taong buhay ng mas maraming tagumpay.
New sensation. The new sensation. Eye popping, got the world watching. Got people, everybody talking. Here it is, here it comes.
Pinagpapala po talaga ang kanyang buhay ngayon. Nay, salamat sa lahat at muli happy birthday po, Nay. Wish ko sa imo gaan ka pa sa mahal na Diyos sa malawig na kabuhi, Nay. Kag maayos na kalusugan. Jesus loves you. God bless you. Enjoy your day, Nay.
Itong mukha na ito, ipagmamalaki ko po na ito sa kabila ng mga storms, mga trials sa kanyang buhay, siya ay nagtatagumpay. Ito ay isang mukha ng tagumpay. Maraming salamat po.